I'm just back from the office. I brought a ball for Raj. Let's see his reaction.
Yo, from where you got this, Papa? Wow.
No surprise at all.
This is a surprise.
Yeah, are you happy?
Is this a food?
You're asking for this, right?
You're asking
Papa,
for this?
are you checking from there?
What are you gonna say?
Because there's a football.
Yeah, see? What a
What are you gonna
coincidence.
say, Papa?
Thank you.
It's cooking time. I am frying some fish. This is tilapia. Just frying it with some Indian spices. And she cooked the mung, which I liked it so much. Which I liked it so much. And let's see. Fish is ready. Wanna buy coffee? And this is idli, the frozen idli. If you put in the steamer, it goes like that, and it's so nice. Let's just eat.
Papa,
Are you going to eat, Raj?
come eat more.
Join us. This is more, a little beef, idli, and fish. Raj, what's the plan?
Want to visit uncle's?
Evil Uncle is in Bombay. How do you go there?
Papa, is he not still in India?
He's still in India. Welcome to FILIDIAN Family. Where are we now?
Just outside.
Okay, we came to do shopping. We're shopping here. It's called Family Food Center. So we are buying from here. Mommy's gone there. What she's gonna buy? Any guess? No? Are you sleepy?
That's my yacht.
Wow. Do you still have it?
Nah, take it. Maybe seasick.
Are you dancing?
Wow. Do you still have it?
Nah, sold it online. Those are my cool sneakers. My wolf. Those are my real.
We're gonna get the. Where are we gonna get? Where are we going?
We're going to Nino's house.
Who is from Nino?
Tito Nino.
Oh.
To collect Kuya Steven's books. His books when he was in grade 2. Because he'll be in grade 3. So he's sharing it with you.
Sharing is?
Carving.
Huh?
Carving.
Carring.
Sharing is?
Caring.
Roads, a lot of road works happening here.
Whose house is
It's
it?
very dark here.
Imagine he parked like this.
He
Here's the
doesn't
road.
care. Are we at the right place? We are at Nino's house to collect the books. Back home.
We're home. We're home. We're home and we're back.